In today's video, we're going to explore a powerful and profitable trading strategy that I have obtained by combining two different indicators. I have conducted extensive backtesting and tried various methods to achieve the best possible outcome from combining these two indicators. At the end of the video, I'll also teach you two methods for entering trades and setting stop loss and take profit levels, and we'll review the win rate of each method separately. So stay with me until the end of the video. Now, without further ado, let's go to our chart. First, we need to add the first indicator to the chart. So go to the indicator section and type IU Smart Follow System. Find it and add it to your chart. As you can see, this indicator shows us buy and sell signals. But let's analyze it a bit more and see how these signals are generated and how we should use them. When the upper line is broken, a buy signal is generated, allowing us to enter a buy trade. Conversely, when the lower line of this indicator is broken, it shows us a sell signal, and we get ready to enter a sell trade. However, the key point here is, when the candles are between these two lines and within the range, no signals are generated, and we shouldn't open any trades at this point. Now, we need to increase the accuracy of this indicator. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I conducted a lot of tests and was able to reach these settings and numbers. To apply them, we need to go into the settings of this indicator. Now, simply make these changes just like I do. Remember not to make any mistakes. Once you have done everything correctly, click OK. Now, this indicator has a higher accuracy in generating buy and sell signals and is more reliable for us. But now it's time to add the second indicator. If you have been with me so far in the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. By the way, write in the comments which country you are watching this video from. I'm very eager to know. Okay, let's move on to adding the second indicator. Go back to the indicator section and this time type Hall Butterfly Oscillator. When you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now we need to enter its settings and make some adjustments. Make the changes step by step with me and leave the parts where I don't make any changes as they are. This indicator consists of various components, but you only need to know two parts of it. When the bars are green, we understand that we are in an uptrend and should look for buy signals at this point. Conversely, when the bars turn red, we realize that we are in a downtrend, and at this point, we should look for sell signals so that we can also make a good profit from the price decrease. But as I mentioned earlier, by combining these two indicators, I have reached a very strong, powerful, and profitable strategy. So it's time to teach it to you as well. Method 1. Buy trade. In this method, you first need to look for a buy signal. After that, we must ensure that this buy signal is confirmed. So we check the Hall Butterfly indicator to make sure all the bars at this point are green. When both conditions are met simultaneously, we can enter buy trade. For the stop loss, we just need to find the last swing low and place our stop loss slightly below it. For the take profit, we can set a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for our trade to close with a profit. For sell trades, we need to do the opposite of these steps. First, we should look for a sell signal. After that, we need to confirm that we are in a downtrend, like at this point. When both conditions are satisfied simultaneously, we can enter a sell trade. we set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. And for take profit, we can again set a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now we just need to wait for the trade to close with a profit. Let's look at some examples of this strategy together, and at the end I will show you the win rate of this strategy. After about 100 trades using this method, here are my results. I had 61 profitable trades, I had 39 losing trades, and ultimately I was able to achieve a win rate of 61%. I was going to teach you two methods, so let me explain the second method as well. In the second method, we become more risk tolerant and take on more risk. We have a lower win rate, but we achieve a higher risk to reward ratio. So let's start with a buy trade. After you find a buy signal and confirm that you are in an uptrend, you can enter a buy trade. However, this time you should set your stop loss below the smart flow indicator line. For the take profit, just consider a risk to reward ratio of 2 and wait for your trade to close with a profit. For a sell trade, you first need to find a sell signal, then confirm that you are in a downtrend. Now enter the sell trade and set your stop loss slightly above the upper line of the smart flow indicator. For the take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 and wait for your trade to close with a profit. After about 100 trades that I conducted using this method, I achieved the following results. 51 trades closed with a profit, 49 trades closed with a loss, and I was able to achieve a win rate of 51%. In the end, it's your choice which method you want to trade with. If you have been with me up to this point in the video, I would appreciate it if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you found the video helpful, please share it with your friends. Until the next video, goodbye.